convert percentages and decimals. So a percent means per 100. And there are two different methods to change a decimal to a percent. So the first one is we can multiply by 100, or we can move the decimal twice to the right. So let's go ahead and look at the first example to change a decimal to a percent. Example 1, level 5 office visits are coded at a frequency of 0.28. What percentage of office visits are a level 5? So we're going to go ahead and write this out, write our decimal, and we're going to go ahead and change it. And so the first method is to multiply it by 100. So let's go ahead and get our calculator out. 0.28 times 100, and we get 28, and this is our percent. So that would be our solution. Now notice we could have also just moved the decimal to the right twice, and that would have also got us to 28. But just to show you, both ways work. So let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 2, what is 1.47 written as a percent? 1.47. We're going to go ahead and multiply it by 100. Or we could have gone 1.47, moved it to the right twice, ended up right there, right? So it's 147%. So as you can see, multiplying by 100 or moving the decimal to the right will get us to the same answer. Now let's go on and look at converting between a percent to a decimal. So in this way, we can either, the first method would be to divide by 100, right? And then the next way to have solved for this would be moving the decimal twice to the left. Example 3, level 2 new patient visits are coded at a frequency of 5.25%. What is this number written as a decimal? So we have 5.25%. If we go ahead and divide by 100%, what does that get us? And we'll just leave out the percents because they cancel out. Divide by 100, and we get 0.0525. So that would be our decimal. Now we could have also taken this and moved the decimal to the left twice, right? So we go 1, 2, and we ended up right there. We could put a 0 right there, right? So 0.0525. So notice we get to the same answer. It's just two different ways to get there. Now let's go ahead and look at the last example. So example 4, what is 13% written as a decimal? .13. That would be our solution.